Good evening. Today we are going to stream modeling a new era of data driven decisions. Here first they explaining that predictive modeling. So in this predictive modeling they giving that what are the data as sophisticated to see here future employees behavior and not limited to uh, the turnover of rates, and it improves the quarter of capable of allowing HR to anticipate that and properly address the potential challenges, and also the model identifying the factors significantly and departures, that is which the turnover, how the employees giving that, and the turnover and the low salary limited growth opportunities. And suppose there is a poor management, there is early warning systems and empowers HR to implement targeted retention strategies. So this is the predictive modeling, and there is a different phases of predictive modeling. And one is the how the data is collecting, and how the data collected, after that model to be building that, and deployment. What is here then modeling predictive is main thing, and the predictive analytics tools and techniques also followed for this, and regression analysis, one is the statistical analysis, one of the statistic analysis, and neutral networks, and using that networks and collecting the data from the employees, and what are the trees, or trees, they following the classifications of trees and various sources to collect the data in at a time of the employees benefit and growth of the company, that is their organization, and support vector machines, that is nothing but that classifying the distinct categories, and they maximize the margin between the difference of the space here, and they are the effective of these spaces and can handle that relationship using the nail functions. And one of the functions in the model, that is the author saying that the nail functions is the less interpretable than the other techniques. So one of the techniques are following here, and another one is the another one of techniques is the regression techniques. The next thing is see this figure how it's functioning, the what are the processes given here, and the informations needed for the predictive method. And employee demographics is very important for the HR analytics. Then only they how for every individual employees working in a organization is in different manner, that is analytic by the HRs, and what is the giving the performance of the employees also here, analytic by the HR management systems. And compensations data is one of the benefit to the employees, how they using that for the employees. And another one is the solutions for the predictive analysis. One is the Microsoft uses Microsoft of one of analysis studios, and Google checkers, and another languages, software languages, Python learnings, oral languages as, and IBM. It's a different of software solutions for the predictive analytics. So Power BI today, the business analytics is using one of the software, and the software is using that analytics the business, and the main thing is HR analytics is the predictive analysis model of quantitative data. So what is here that linear regressions and logistic regressions and time series analysis and survival of analysis clustering. So these are the analysis is to model for the quantitative, one of the quantitative analytics, data analytics. So they gathering all the data to find out the one of the model and using that predictive analytics. Steps involved here, the first step is define the problems, and the second one is gather data, the third one is prepare the data, and fourth one is build model, and the fifth one is evaluate model. So this is the steps is used that is involved in the predictive analytics. So the next one is the benefit of adapting predictive analytics. We using that cost, what is reduced cost, so they need benefits for the organization. Cost is very important for that reductions. How they following is the first step, benefits, one of the benefits, and using of predictive analytics they getting one of benefit is reduced cost, and the next one is improved performance, and third one is enhanced the productivity, at last the data driven decisions. It's after that last the thing is they using that decisions. The challenges and consideration is here, the data quality is necessary, and then model, what type of model they are going to use for the analytics. The third one is ethical considerations, and ethical considerations is very important for the science challenges and the machine learning stories. And we hear that software using that in previously we saw that the techniques and tools and techniques. So Python, the using of another software languages. So these are the predictive analytics models for the HR analytics. So thank you. And next video we see that the continuity of what is